What's going on, guys? I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1989 Fox body Mustang, and we're about to go for a test drive. If you want, I got 100 detailed pictures of this car. I've got a huge book of receipts for everything that's been done in the last 3 years on this car. A lot of good stuff. I can't wait to tell you about it. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, getting ready to take off in this 89 GT Mustang. So I got a lot of paperwork here towards the end of the video. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you. It's receipts on all the stuff that's been done to this car. It was completely rebuilt in 2018. It started in 2017. New motor, trans, clutch, rear end. There's been a ton of stuff done too. You can see the aftermarket dash. It's been lowered. It's got good lowering suspension on it. It's in that book. I can't remember the name of it. GT40 intake. All the gauges work. Gas gauge is correct. So you got your turn signal lights. They pop up on the dash here. It's not stock at all. Your heat works great. AC works great. Blows nice and hard. Only thing that don't work, you can hear the horn clicking, but the little prong broke off under the hood on the horn itself, and I just haven't replaced it. I've never tried these little mirrors either. The little mirror switch doesn't work. You got to manually do them. I got some stuff laying in the back, moving around. That's what that noise was. When I bought the car, the guy said it had about 6,700 miles on it since the build. It was a 302, and when they took it out and rebuilt it, I got pictures of the motor broken down. Got all that on my phone. I can send that to whoever buys the car. And they boarded over to a 305. Looks like we're hitting some heavy traffic here, so I'm gonna turn around and go the other way. Sorry, I needed to secure that stuff down back there. It goes in every gear nice and smooth. There's no rear end whine. I know these cars had that happen sometimes. The steering wheel's not perfectly centered. That's because it is an aftermarket steering wheel. You can get the front end realigned to where it'll straighten this up, but it's driving perfectly straight. It's nice and sensitive. Like I said, everything was redone on this car in 2018. It was finished. They even put I think they put the paint job on it in 2017. And I got, like I said, this booklet. I'll show you towards the end of the video of all the stuff that was done. A lot of traffic. Trying to get this video done right before we close here. The windows go down. That window over there is kind of slow on the up. It goes down just fine, but it kind of goes up real slow. Put y'all in the driver's seat here. Get ready to take off. And clutch is almost instant. As soon as you come off the floor, it starts pulling. pull you left, right, all over the road if you let it. Trying to avoid all this traffic. We hit a bump right in the middle of that road back there. Forgot to tell you, I was having a little fun. It's got a nice sounding exhaust. I can't remember exactly what the setup was. Like I said, I'll go over all that towards the end of the video. Since I have the booklet, it's pretty cool to show. And I think the guy said he spent about $9,000 on the car. And he said he spent more, but he didn't get all the receipts. So we have proof of 9 in receipts. Right at the shifter, right at my feet. That way you could really see. As soon as I leave the floor, it takes off. The power steering pump on here is new. It was replaced with everything else. The guy did say that it will whine a little bit at first. I don't know if that was true or what, but if I rev it up and turn the steering wheel, it does whine a little bit. I've never had any other issues out of it. The fluid's completely full. I mean, it's never cut out, so go down this hill here. Turn it around. Here's that bump again. Looking around in the car, you flip the gauges on, they light up blue. You got your little mic, that way you can go hands-free. All right, I told you, he actually made a list to make it easy. These are all the actual receipts of everything done. It's a pretty thick little booklet here. But just to give you an idea, let you check that out. It's LED, fog lights, headlights, tail lights. Interior used to be red. Ford pieces not dyed. It's got a new headliner, carpet kit, console with cup holders, new shift bezel boot, door hinges, and weather strip. The 5.0 rebuilt to stock specs, but bored over. That GT40 intake, which looks pretty cool. Got a throw shifter, T5 transmission, new clutch, new cable, and firewall adjuster. New alternator, Holley water pump, power steering pump,
power steering hoses, AC conditioner compressor, new AC lines and dryer, AC condenser, distributor, plugs, headers, X-pipe, and aluminized exhaust. And then on the next page, there's some more stuff. Flowmaster mufflers, the new fuel tank, the Holley 255 fuel pump, cold air intake, new injectors, new fan and fan clutch, new hoses, 355 rear gear, and brakes. The suspension has all been done. Ford Motorsport lowering springs. That's why it rides so good. As you can see, it's had a ton of stuff done, and this was all since 2017. So, a little bit of a information sheet, and then receipts to prove all the stuff. So I figured I'd add this to the video. But you get all this with the car. There's no reason for me to keep it. But if y'all have any other questions, don't be afraid to give us a call. Up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, 615-822-4444. I appreciate y'all watching. Please share, please subscribe. I post videos like this every single day. All right, guys, this is going to conclude my test drive. If you have any other questions, please refer to my website, maplemotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on our car lot. We update once a week. That's Monday afternoon. So be looking for that, 5 to 10 cars every week. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You can get videos like this every time I post them. If you have any other questions, please give us a call, 615-822-4444. If you want that information again, please drop below to the description below the video here, and you can get all that information. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys. Figured I'd just add a little extra footage at the end of the video since I got a little bit of a drive back to the lot. Starting to get darker earlier I'm not able to do as many videos as I normally do.